day 52. We're just heading into the markets in Busselton. Have a look around there. We might do art sculpture trail or something like that. Fill Tony up with fuel because we're going to be shifting tomorrow. Probably a bit of a casual day. We've had a interesting evening with the possum attack, so the mothballs didn't really do the job.
We thought they did the first night, but probably the sun yesterday just made the snow go away.
Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, we had a herd of elephants all night long, but we're not alone. Carly said that she hears things slamming around the top of her van as well, so oh well, it is what it is. We'll let you know how we do. Oh, you'll probably see how we do at the markets, because I think Charna will film some of the markets. Hello everybody, back in wherever you are. It's Neil here, and I've got the work shirt on, just changed, and we're going to do a little bit of renovations. My trusty assistant Charna, she's going to be doing the 5-shelf wardrobe hanging organizer, and we'll show you that a little bit later, where I'm going to do the major project here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put up a extendable rod so we can hang stuff in our shower. We'll show you some video as we go, and hope you enjoy.
Well, I'm super excited because up until this point our clothing is basically been in that little thing and this little thing, which has been a pain in the butt, bending down trying to get stuff out of, etc. So I actually had a bright idea, and our hanging wardrobes, those I'm converting. So here's one I prepared earlier. As you can see, we've just got the hanging thing and the clothing there. Quite easy to pull them out. So yeah, quite easy to pull them out.
That's great, Charna.
Neil agrees.
I'd like to get the viewers to come this way.
One moment, please. Okay.
So what we're going to do here in the shower stall is we're going to put a extendable rod across here. So the things that were in the hanging space will be in here, because we don't use the shower anyway. And that's why we have no friends. Well, I tell you what, on the packaging it says it just takes minutes to do. And look at that, a thing of beauty, done and dusted. It's also saying on the package here, for caravans. So that's good. Yeah, that's great. Yep. So anyways, now that that job is done, I think it's time for yours truly to have a beer ski. Oh, beer ski. But I've got one from the freezer here. Can you hold that for me?
Well, I can.
And so what we've got here is a Great Northern. And after most tradies have finished their day, this is what they do. Cheers. Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
Of course Neil is done. But the woman has to get all the finishing touches. How good does that look? Super stoked. Day 52?
Maybe.
I think.
Cheers.
Cheers, sweetie.
Like, cheers, guys. Back out there in video land.
I don't know. Broken record, another good day. Oh, pretty quiet day. Didn't do a heck of a lot.
Didn't do much at all today, did we?
No. Renos.
We wanted to try the markets. The Origin markets in Busselton.
Yeah, they were a bit of a fizzer, like
yeah,
nothing
very,
there.
very let down. So then we went to Bunnings and Aldi. Woohoo!
Highlight of the day, Paul and Allie.
Yes.
Had a great, probably about an hour chat with them. Just really nice to to chat with them, see their faces. We did a FaceTime chat, and we actually figured out how to do it.
Trying to figure it out. I
We're
don't know
becoming
this.
technological.
Yes. But it was lovely. Polly was sharing a Prosecco with us, and Allie was sharing a wee red.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it was a bit nostalgic because where we're sitting now, in front of us is the van, and with the table with the picture of Georgia and us in the water, which Paul took, and just doing the FaceTime thing, seeing their faces, and in the background, that on the van, almost brought a tear to my eye.
Yes. Oh well.
So tomorrow we leave. Been 6 nights here. Love this place. I could stay here another week easily.
Especially if we had a gun to get rid of the possums.
Yeah, the possums, but
Oh well.
we'll see how we go tonight with them. I think we've already talked about the possums and what we're going to do with them.
Yeah.
So
Stew. Oh.
wasn't it the Beverly Hillbillies used to have possums?
Yeah,
too?
Granny.
Granny, yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll have to get to bed half decent time tonight because we got to get up early because I get to go get my marketplace suitcase tomorrow.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, and last night we watched a really good video. It was called The Changeling, not the old one where the devil is taking possession of the child, but with Angelina Jolie. Highly recommend it.
It was good. Yeah. And so the day's been just sort of potzing around doing some stuff. And we're shifting tomorrow to a new location. So
Had our last swim in the most beautiful spot that we
lovely.
swam. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was a little choppier today.
Oh yeah, like it had about that much swell. There was a 6-inch swell today.
6-inch swell. Oh, was it that high? Anyway, I think that's it.
Yep. Okay. We'll
Doodles.
see you guys tomorrow.
And we'll let you know how the possums go tonight.
Yes. Possum Patrol.
My turn. I'll do it.
Charna's turn.